Maximizing small spaces, storage hacks for RV living are the open road, the boundless landscapes, and the promise of adventure at every turn. RV living embodies the essence of freedom, but it also presents a unique challenge, maximizing small spaces. Fear not, intrepid explorers, for the art of storage in the cozy confines of your rolling abode can be mastered with creativity, ingenuity, and a dash of humor. Let's dive into the world of storage hacks designed to enhance your RV experience, ensuring every inch of space is working for you, not against you. 1. Embrace the magic of multi-use furniture in the realm of RV living, furniture that doubles up on function as king. Opt for an ottoman that offers not just a place to rest your feet but also hidden storage for your extra blankets or board games. Consider a convertible dinette that transforms into a bed at night or a bench that opens up to reveal a treasure trove of space for your hiking gear. Remember, every piece of furniture is an opportunity to add storage. 2. Go vertical. Walls and doors are prime real estate. Walls and doors are not just structural elements, they're the untapped frontier of storage possibilities. Install hooks on the insides of cabinet doors to hang utensils, pot lids, or cleaning supplies. Magnetic strips can turn a wall into a spice rack or a tool holder, keeping essentials within reach yet out of the way. Over-the-door organizers are a godsend for everything from shoes to snacks, turning dead space into a well-organized storage haven. 3. Nest, stack, and collapse. The holy trinity of RV kitchen storage space in an RV kitchen is as precious as a cool breeze on a sweltering day. Embrace nesting bowls, stackable cookware, and collapsible items like colanders and kettles. These space-saving champions allow you to pack a fully functional kitchen into a fraction of the space. And let's not forget about adjustable racks for cabinets and refrigerators, ensuring every inch of culinary territory is optimized. 4. The underbed bonanza. Unlocking hidden storage. The area under your bed is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Use vacuum seal bags for seasonal clothing or extra bedding, reducing their volume and protecting them from the elements. Slide-out bins or drawers can hold shoes, tools, or outdoor gear, keeping them accessible yet neatly tucked away. Remember, the key is to compartmentalize. This ensures easy access and prevents the dreaded underbed abyss where items go to be forgotten. 5. Ceiling and overhead spaces. The final frontier. Look up, and you'll see a canvas for storage innovation. Bikes, kayaks, and even fishing rods can be securely mounted to the ceiling, freeing up valuable floor space. Overhead cabinets are a must, but don't stop there. Hanging baskets or netting can store lightweight items like clothing or linens, ensuring they're out of the way but still within easy reach. 6. Magnetic mastery. A little attraction goes a long way in a small space. Even a knife block can feel like a luxury. Enter magnetic strips, your new best friend. These versatile wonders can hold knives, spices in metal containers, or even personal items like tweezers and bobby pins. By transferring items from the counter to the wall, you reclaim precious space and keep your essentials in plain sight. 7. The great outdoors. External storage solutions. Don't overlook the exterior of your RV as a storage powerhouse. Bike racks, cargo carriers, and roof pods can carry the bulkier items, freeing up interior space for living. Waterproof containers ensure your gear stays dry and protected, no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. Just be sure to secure everything properly. After all, an unsecured cargo carrier is about as useful as a screen door on a submarine. 8. Digital declutter. Entertainment in the cloud. Gone are the days when you needed a physical library of DVDs, CDs, and books to keep entertained on the road. Embrace digital entertainment platforms for music, movies, and books. Not only will this save physical space, but it also means endless entertainment at your fingertips. And for the kids, consider compact, educational toys that encourage creativity without taking up too much space, like magnetic building blocks or compact art kits. 9. Containerize your chaos, the zen of organized drawers. Every RV owner knows the jarring experience of opening a drawer after a long drive to find a jumbled mess. Use drawer organizers, small bins, and dividers to keep items in place. This not only maximizes space but also saves you the headache of rummaging through chaos to find what you need. A place for everything, and everything in its place, as they say. 10. Personal spaces, carving out room for everyone in a compact living space, ensuring everyone has a little personal area can make a big difference in the harmony of your mobile home. Use hanging organizers, small shelves, or even designated baskets for each family member to store their personal items. This not only keeps things organized but also gives everyone a sense of their own space, which is priceless in close quarters. The art of RV space maximization. Mastering the art of storage in your RV is akin to conducting a symphony. Every piece must come together in perfect harmony. By implementing these hacks, you turn the challenge of small space living into an opportunity for creativity and innovation. Remember, the goal is not just to store your belongings but to do so in a way that enhances your RV lifestyle, making every square inch count. So, as you set forth on your next adventure, armed with these storage solutions, remember that the real magic of RV living isn't just in the places you'll go, but in the ingenious ways you make your home on wheels work for you. Happy travels, and here's to a clutter-free, adventure-filled life on the road.